I'm not sure if you have updated your device. It seems to be a boot loop issue following recent updates, but have no fear, a fix is on the way. This boot loop issue, a significant number of Pixel owners are experiencing boot loop issues. Ours that we have in-house have not been affected by this, but look, it's probably not a huge percentage. It's probably 1%, if that, but it's a enormous pain in the ass, and this should not be happening if you buy a phone. So even if it's 1% of users, it's a big issue. And it's embarrassing, right? So Google developers, Pixel developers are literally in the lab right now trying to work on an update. So I think this happened to me a long time ago. I remember it. I think it was Pixel 6, maybe Pixel 5. You know, like a long time ago. Like I said, 5 years is a long time in the tech world. I do remember this happening though. It's essentially unusable, and it will be stuck on a Google boot loop logo. This software update that is causing this issue is the March 2026 update. Now, the problem appears to affect a range of Pixel models from older devices like the Pixel 6 to newer ones, Pixel 10 Pro XL. With reports accumulating on Google's issue tracker on Reddit, they're indicating a potential serious software glitch. Google has acknowledged this issue and is actively investigating and working on a solution. Some users are facing difficulties with factory resets and customer support, while the company works to identify and implement the fix. Now, here's what's gonna have to happen. What's going on, brother? Appreciate you joining us today. If you're affected by this boot loop, since you're stuck in a boot loop, you can't you cannot boot into or get into the operating system. You cannot get into settings. You cannot go down to software update, right, and update your phone that way. So how are they going to fix a boot loop issue? This is what you're going to have to do. And it sucks that if this has happened to you, it sucks because it's going to take a little tinkering. It's going to take a little technical knowledge to try to figure out how to work this. Now, if this has happened to you, I want you to subscribe to my eSIMstudios YouTube channel, because when they come out with a fix, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this issue, because you're going to have to take your Pixel, and most likely they're going to issue, because from what I remember from the last one, they're going to issue an update, but it's going to be in the zip form, meaning you're going to have to basically use the Android flash tool. You're going to have to plug it into your computer. You're going to have to flash it in recovery. I know it sounds like oh my God, I don't know how to do that. That's why I'm here. So I'm going to walk you through it, help you through it. I'll probably upload a video whenever a solution is found, and it's easy. You just, but I know, look, my parents have Pixels, my grandparents have Pixels, aunts and uncles. So, and they're definitely not, tech savvy at all. So if you have a family member, I'll walk you through it. It's not hard, but hopefully they'll come out with a fix here soon. But stay tuned to the channel, and we'll help you out with it. But I wanted to get into this and probably do a giveaway. So I have this for your wallet, tracking card, iOS, iPhone, MacBook. It pairs to MacBook. It pairs to Find My, right? We'll do this giveaway. And if you don't have an iPhone, sell it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I could probably get $20-30 for it. Or I'm sure you have a friend, you have a family member, you can gift it, re-gift it. Yeah, I do that every now and then. Who cares? So we'll do this giveaway here shortly. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a pretty quick show. Okay. I'm already late. I think I scheduled this for 2 p.m. and I blew right past that. So